Let's see the solution to challenge 2. In this challenge, we were asked to define a menu in our application to provide access options to the transaction and web panel that we created in the first challenge, and obviously to display them. Let's see how to implement this. First, we have to go to our application's back office and create the menu together with the access options to the objects. Now that we've created the menu, we're going to configure it through the API so that it's shown to the user. First, we have to create a copy or modify the current master page of our application to insert the sidebar where the options of our newly created menu will be loaded. In this case, I'm going to modify the current one, but as I said before, we can create another one or use an existing one. Here we see that the master page is the following one, so we open it. As we said in the theory session, what we have to do here is enter the following code fragment in the start event. Next, we have to follow the procedure that we also mentioned. This procedure has to be of data provider type, so we create it by calling it in the following way. Here the code is as follows. As we can see, this code uses this other procedure, which is going to be included as an input for this challenge. In addition, as we said in the theory session, this can be obtained from the GAM examples included in the Genexus installation. Finally, it's necessary to configure the data provider output indicating that it's of sidebar items type. Let's review this. The code is as follows. In the rules, we have this one, and the variables are of these types. Since in my case, I modified the current master page, I will have to remove the way of loading items that existed before so that it doesn't interfere with the new one that I added. Once this is done, we select Build. Before we finish, note that as we can see in this code, the main menu of our application is used. Also, as we said in the theory session, for this to work, our menu has to be precisely main. To do so, we have to go to the application in question from the GAM back office and set the menu that we've just created as the main menu. To end this challenge, as it says in the instructions, we can check that the user, test user 2, can only view the menu option associated with the web panel, since the user's transaction has an authorization permission that this user doesn't have. Also, that test user 1 can view both objects, so let's take a look at this. As we can see, the user test user 1 can view both options. Now let's log out and see what happens with user test user 2. And indeed, as we said, this user can only view one option.